Hey everybody, welcome to Ask AdWords. My name is Alex.
And I'm Amanda.
Before we get into today's question, you may have noticed that we have a new co-host here. Amanda, if you just want to introduce yourselves.
Hello everyone, I'm Amanda and I'm looking forward to working with you guys and answering some of your questions.
Cool. So we have a question here today about tracking values for conversion tracking. It comes in from Durenda and it reads, I have an e-commerce site and I want to track the amount from each purchase within AdWords. How can I do that?
Well, great question. So this question is basically centered around being able to track the interactions and purchases on your website, which you absolutely can do within AdWords. So the basic option in AdWords, you can set up what we call conversion tracking. So if you go up to the tools bar at the top of your AdWords account and click on conversions, you can set up a conversion and basically assign a value to it. So every time a purchase happens on your website, we'll tell you how much money you made. The other really cool thing about conversion tracking is that once it starts tracking in your AdWords account, it assigns a cost per conversion. So it'll also kind of give you an idea of how much these purchases are costing you when it relates to your AdWords budget. So that definitely is an option. Great question.
Yeah, and that's really valuable information to see what kind of return on investment you're getting. If you set up conversion tracking and you put in a value, that can be a static value, so you could say all of the purchases on my site cost like this certain amount, or you can have the option for a dynamic value, and that involves maybe your web developer getting involved and putting a little parameter in the code, and it'll dynamically actually update the value of each conversion on your site. So if you sell a bunch of different kitchen appliances, they all cost different things, you could use dynamic tracking, and then like Amanda said, you'll know what kind of return you're getting on a keyword by keyword basis or on ad groups or campaign level, whatever you like. And then finally, this question is about within AdWords. You can also use analytics to do something called e-commerce tracking, then actually import that into AdWords. E-commerce tracking is another way to dynamically track values of conversions. So that's something else to maybe check out in the Help Center. But cool. Thanks for the question. Really appreciate it. If you have any other questions for us, feel free to send in a question over social media using the hashtag AskAdWords, and we'll try to get to it in next week's episode. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
The remarketing tag would allow you to do remarketing, which is a display network feature where you can show ads to people that have been on your site through our display network, and feature how often those extensions ship. Other criteria?
Yeah, I mean, in general, we are going to show the extension if we feel like it's going to enhance the user's experience based on
an analytics account, check out event tracking and apply it to the button that you're referring to. If you don't have an analytics account, you do want to track something that does not redirect to another page.